नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, the first day of Skandasashti Mahotsava. Today is the day Subramanya was conceived, means he was expressed through the third eye of Sadashiva. From the 5 phases, Satyojata, Vamadeva, Agora, Tatpurusha, Ishana, from 5 phases, third eyes, the energy is gathered, and the 6th space, not phase, space, Adhomuga, means the unborn space, Avyakta. It's also called Ajomuga and Adhomuga, both. Which is not shown, which is not born. Ajo means which is not born, Adho means which is not shown. The 6th space of Sadashiva, Avyakta, which is Ajo and Adho, which is neither shown nor born. From that space, the 6th spark happened, and Adi Shakti held the whole thing together. The bio-memory of Adi Shakti, bio-energy of Sadashiva, it was too powerful to hold it together till the baby is delivered. So Ganga came to help. She acted as a spiritual incubator, adding muscle memory to this Garbha. So the bioenergy of Sadashiva, biomemory of Adi Shakti, and muscle memory of Ganga put together. Completion of Sadashiva is Subramanya. Today is the day he was conceived and expressed. He is the completion, complete manifestation. Sadashiva sent his DNA first to the universe to expand and multiply in the form of Subramanya. He is the first DNA of Sadashiva, directly from Sadashiva's 5 phase, third eyes, and the 6th phase, 6th space. That is why even Sadashiva has only 5 phase, Subramanya has 6. Because the Avyakta, unmanifested, which is called Adhomuka or Ajomuka, unborn, unseen, Avyakta, even that contributed for the happening of Subramanya. Today, he is gracing all of us with Valli and Devasena as Sarvalankara Bhushita. Sarva Alankara means the 5 items: the gold jewels, weapons, sandal, flower, and the Patnis or the Shaktis. Sa Ayuda, Sa Vahana, Sa Parivara, with all the auspiciousness, is gracing us on Swarnamayura Vahana. Let's receive his blessings first. नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम्
अथ धूपः ॐ धूर्वसि धूर्वधूर्वं
धूर्वतयोऽस्मान् धूर्वदिदं
धूर्वयं वयं धूरामस्तं देवानामप्रितमं दुष्टतमन्मिन्निवं देवहूतममतमसेर्हविर्दारं त्रिगं वस्वमाह्वामित्रस्य द्वाचक्षुषा
प्रेक्षेमाभिर्मासं
संविक्तामात्मायिकं विषं धूपमाघ्रापयामि अथ दीपः ॐ उद्दीप्य स्वजातवेदो भग्निर्निरृतं मम वशोगश्चमह्यभावजीवनं च दिशो दिशा मानोहिगं हे जातवेदो कामश्वं पुरुषं जगते अभिप्रदग्नाभीष्यामा परिवातया एकहार्दीपं सन्दर्शयामि अथ नैवेद्यम् अम्मस्त्राय नमः ॐ मधुवातारताय ते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धवः माध्वीर्न सन्तोषधीः मधुनक्तमतोषधि मधुनक्ताद्यभगं रजः मधुद्योरस्तु नः पिता मधुमानो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागुम्बस्तु सूर्यः माध्वीर्यावो भवन्तु नः मधो मधो मधो
नैवेद्यं
निवेदयामि ॐ तत्पुरुषाय
विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि
तन्नो षण्मुखः प्रचोदयात्।
ॐ पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नो षण्मुखः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नो षण्मुखः प्रचोदयात्। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि।
I also need to reveal an important truth here. Subramanya is the lord of spiritual alchemy science. Because his whole birth itself happened as a spiritual alchemy. His very birth happened as a spiritual alchemy. And he is the master of spiritual alchemy science. He is here now to make this Sadashivoham spiritual alchemy process successful. And my own gurus, before they made me manifest the spiritual alchemy science, I was put in the Gaumara Sadhana, means experiencing Gaumara, Kumara on Skandasashti day. This 6 days, not eating anything, doing Nirahara, and the unique spiritual practice, making Subramanya Yantra on sacred ash, worshipping it with reciting 36 times the Skandasashti Kavasam and a special Moola Mantra. It was a spiritual practice. I was personally given, initiated by Vibhudananda Puri, and not only I completed it successfully and had a direct darshan of Subramanya and received this whole spiritual alchemy science as one gift. Understand, after that, till I started the public life, never missed this Skanda Shashti Vrata. I always followed. Only after the public life has started, too many things need to be attended. Till then, I was always following. This is one of the most powerful spiritual experience I had. Now, this year, whatever He has given me at that time is going to be used first time this Sadashivoham. He is the Lord of the spiritual alchemy process. That is why the greatest spiritual alchemists called Siddhas, 18 Siddhas, consider themselves as the descendants of Subramanya, and they always revere Subramanya as their guru of their sampradaya. So the spiritual alchemy, developing the spiritual alchemy products and the science of spiritual alchemy is directly the gift of Subramanya to the world. His deity, which is standing on Palani temple, is the ultimate spiritual product anyone can possibly develop. The most ultimate spiritual product anyone can possibly develop on the planet Earth is the Navapashana deity of Subramanya standing on Palani hill. I think these 6 days, all the spiritual products, all the spiritual alchemy products will be ready, fully energized for all of you to experience for Sadashivoham. The energy field will be ready and the products will be ready. I think everything will be ready. It is time Subramanya lands here and does the job of creating all the spiritual alchemy products. I was wondering why that Prana Pratishtha was getting dragged. Now I understand. He has to do it. He has to come. And this is the most auspicious time. This 6 days, celebration of Skanda, Subramanya happening. So now not only Sadashiva, Subramanya also is ready for Sadashivoham. Just get ready. I am not going to ask you, I am only going to tell you, get ready. So I bless you all, let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living, Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.